Welcome to Tutorial Tuesday. Today I'm going to be teaching you a few painting techniques that I have learned. Number 1, when you want a good blend, take 2 different colors, half and half on the brush, and just go back and forth with your brush. Number 2, take a big brush, add white into the mix, and it will give you a lighter blended color. So it makes it look more like the sky just because the white is blending into both of them and blending each and every color together. I then make little streaks on the bottom because I plan on making water, so that will have the little orange streaks in the water that will be reflecting the sky that I just made. I then take blue and white on my brush, and I just go back and forth lightly over this to make water. As I'm going back and forth, I'm taking blue and white still on the brush and making little dark blue streaks and then making little bright white streaks all in the water, because water is about depth. So when you have lighter water and darker water, it creates that depth effect. I then take only white on my brush and I make little white streaks in the water because it gives the wave effect. I then take a little bit of orange and white to my brush, and I only do streaks in the middle of the water because we want to kind of make it look like the sky is reflecting, but only in this specific area. I then add some red to my brush, and I do little streaks in the area that I want the water to be reflecting. I then add blue into the streaks that I just made to make it look like the water is coming over it, under it, it's going all around it. It's not just flat. I then take a small square brush and I decide to make a moon. So when I do this, you can tell I'm keeping the brush on the canvas and I am turning the brush. I am not even moving it, I am just turning it to where I want it. I then take a toothbrush, I dip it in white, and I am going to make little stars on my sky, because why not? This is my painting. Thank you guys for joining me this Tutorial Tuesday. I'll see you next week.